What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me? Why do I kinda miss you, babe, after everything you did to me? I miss driving around in your pickup truck, digging for aluminum at 3 a.m. high as fuck. I miss driving around in your pickup truck, digging for aluminum at 3 a.m. high as fuck. I miss all the things we would do together. I miss building things. I miss fucking around at the storage unit. I miss fucking all day. I miss you playing your guitar. I miss all your crazy theories. I miss you drilling me, putting a fire under my ass. I miss our trash job that we did 5 nights a week. I miss bonding. I miss working with you. I miss falling asleep, holding you. I miss driving around in your pickup truck, digging for aluminum, high as fuck. I miss falling asleep on the bathroom floor with the water running. Boy, I miss you and all your crazy antics. I miss it all, even the bed. What's wrong with me? I am so bad. Your words still sting so deep. I pretend like they don't mean anything to me. Nothing ever felt so real and right. You were my home. A wild home. Thought it would be easier by now. I thought I wouldn't miss you after everything you did and said to me. What's wrong with me?